I replaced my entire film crew with Sora 2.0 full tutorial. What if I told you that I replaced my entire film crew, camera, lighting, actors, everything with AI? No cameras, no shooting, and no editing team. Just one tool, and this is Sora version 2.0. Now in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Sora 2.0 step by step to create high quality cinematic videos using just prompts. Whether you are a content creator, filmmaker, or beginner, this guide will show you how to go from idea to full video without touching a camera. Now let's get started. Sora 2.0 is an advanced AI video generation tool that generates realistic videos from text prompts. You simply describe what you want and it generates scenes that look like they were shot in real life, whether it's images, videos, and you can simply also go ahead and mix your media and then generate realistic images. We're talking about cinematic shots, realistic lighting, camera movement, and detailed environment. It is like having a film crew, but automated. Now, traditionally, making a video requires camera operations, along with actors, lighting setup, and just a lot of editing. With Sora 2.0, you describe the scene, and then AI generates it, and then you can refine it further. This removes most of the manual work. Now, before using Sora, you need a clear idea. Just simply think about story, scene, or mood. For example, a cinematic shot of a man walking through a rainy city at night. And the clearer your vision, the better your results will be. Now, you need to write in detailed prompts, which is the most important part. Because a good prompt is going to include the subject, the environment, lighting, and then the camera angle. Now, just right here, we typed in a basic prompt just to generate images. Now we're going to type in a proper prompt to generate a proper video. For this, you can also go ahead and select the type of video, the ratio, along with the pixels and the duration. Now right here, I have typed in a proper prompt which says a cinematic close-up shot of a man in a dark alley with moon reflecting, rainy atmosphere, and a slow camera movement. Now once that is done, you can see this little ring right at the top right corner, meaning that it is being generated. Now just make sure that your prompt is super detailed because the more detailed the prompt is, the better the videos will turn out. And then once you enter the prompt, you can also select the style right below with the editing features and click on generate. And in seconds, you get a very realistic clip, and this is going to be the base scene that you're basically generating. You can also generate multiple images and then later just simply look at the images and create a proper video among it too. Now, your first result may not be perfect or according to your expectations. So you can refine your prompt, you can add in more detail, you can simply just ask it to change camera angles, adjust the lighting, and whatever you want, you can simply just go ahead and edit the prompt. You can also edit this once everything is done. You can remix it or also just create a video from the image. Now you can go ahead and select the variation that you want. I'm going to click variation 1. And then we can type in the prompt and what we actually want. We can simply just ask it to be walking around and click on generate. Now you can go ahead and refine your prompt and just keep iterating until you think it looks right. Now instead of one long video, you can create multiple clips. For example, you can create multiple scenes. Now scene 1 is going to include the establishing shot, and then scene 2 can include a close-up, and scene 3 can be an action shot. This gives you more control and flexibility and just completely brings your creativity, and you can generate these videos by AI but still being in control. Now once you have multiple clips, you can combine them and you can use basic editing tools and arrange these features, and then you can simply add in transitions or just build a narrative. And then you have the full video. Now to complete your video, you can also add in voiceovers, and you can simply also go ahead and try new features in the explore feed. And you can also add in new sound effects because that brings your videos to life. You can use AI tools for this as well and connect them with Zora AI. Now, after finalizing the details, you can simply download it and you can add in color adjustments, text overlays, or branding. These small touches just make your video look more professional. Now here's a simple workflow that you should follow, especially if you're a beginner. First is having an idea and then you're going to generate a prompt out of that idea and give it proper structure. You can generate multiple scenes and then refine these scenes in the prompt if needed, create more scenes, and then you can combine, add audio, and then export at the very end. Now, this is your new AI film production process. Now, here are some pro tips for cinematic results, and first is be very descriptive in your prompts because that is how you're going to get the best output. Also, just use cinematic terms like close up, wide shot, or depth in field within your prompts because that is going to give you the best outcomes. Also, experiment with lighting and mood depending on what you're working with, and always iterate. Don't just stick to one prompt and it's not going to give you consistent results if you're not looping or iterating it. Here are some common mistakes that you need to avoid, especially as a beginner. First is using vague prompts, just use a very descriptive and specific one. And then the next is expecting perfect results instantly. That is not going to happen. Even with professionals, they face a lot of these blockage. Also, don't rely on one clip, build multiple scenes. Now, Sora 2.0 is changing how videos are actually made and how you can use it for content creation. While it won't fully replace traditional filmmaking, it opens new possibilities for creators. Now, anyone can create cinematic content without a bigger budget. Now, replacing a full film crew with AI might sound crazy, but tools like Sora 2.0 are making it possible. And it's faster, cheaper, and incredibly powerful. If you're a creator, this is something you should definitely explore. Now, if you want Sora 2.0 to generate high quality videos, your prompts need to sound like directions you would give to a real film crew. Instead of writing simple descriptions, think in terms of filmmaking. Include camera angles, lighting conditions, mood, and movement. For example, instead of saying a man walking, use keywords like cinematic shot, or just use the kind of background you want, the position, the camera angle, like soft golden lighting, or just tracking camera slowly. And the more cinematic your language is, the better your output will look. Now, a common challenge with AI video is keeping characters consistent to improve consistency. You need to describe your character in detail every time. Just mention your clothing, appearance, and key features in each prompt, and then you're going to be set for different scenes. Repeating such details across scenes help maintain visual consistency, like their hair, the kind of clothing they're wearing, or if it's an adult or a child. Now, many beginners generate random clips, but real videos need a story. You can start by planning your screen in order. Think of it like a short film with a beginning, middle, and then the end. First, just create an establishing shot and then move into action or dialogue scenes, and finally, end with a closing shot. And this structured approach makes your video feel intentional and engaging rather than just random. Now, replacing a full film crew with AI might sound crazy, but tools like Sora 2.0 are making it possible. It's faster, cheaper, and incredibly powerful. If you're a creator, then this is something you should definitely explore. And that is it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI content creation tools. And if you want more videos and AI video tools like this on filmmaking, just drop a comment below and let me know. Also share your experience with Zora AI and how it's going for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.